The new 2023 NEC text, for countertop states that, a fixed or stationary surface, typically intended, for food preparation and serving, personal lavation, or laundering, or a similar surface, that presents, a routine risk of spillage, of larger quantities of liquids, upon outlets, mounted directly on, or in the surface. Informational note number 1, states that, CUL 498, receptacles and attachment plugs, and UL 943, ground fault circuit interrupters, which establish, the performance evaluation criteria, and construction criteria. Informational note number 2, states that, C 406.5E, 406.5, G1, and 406.5H, for information on receptacles, for counters and countertops, distinguished from, receptacles for work surfaces. The definition, for countertop, is added, to help the user, of the code, understand the difference between, a countertop and a work surface, where these two terms, are used. The main difference, between these two types of surfaces, is primarily associated with, the amount of spillage, they may be exposed to. This new definition, and informational note, directs the user, of the code, to the standards, that aid in the proper application, of receptacles, in these locations. A new definition has been added to clarify the difference between a countertop and a work surface, where these two terms are used. The main difference between these two types of surfaces is primarily associated with the amount of spillage they may be exposed to. The new definition and informational notes clarify and provide direction for users of the National Electrical Code to the standards that aid in the proper application of receptacles in these locations.